Sai Ram children. Today I am going to take in English new voice stone soup, that is lesson number 7 lesson number 7 part 1 stone soup. Okay children, now we will start with the new words. Now we will start with the new words. Number 1, returns, returns. Number 2, hungry, hungry. Three, villagers, villagers. 4, reached, reached. 5, feared, feared. 6, strangers, strangers. 7, hidden, hidden. 8, tasty, tasty. 9, mighty, mighty. 10, gathered, gathered. 11, spread. 12, please. 13, luckier. 14, harvest. 15, scraps. 16, long. 17, sure. 18, knock. 19, kind. 20, around. Children, you have to learn these words by heart. Okay, now we will frame sentences. 1, hungry. The stray dog looked hungry and cold. 1, hungry. The stray dog looked hungry and cold. 2, harvest. Farmers pray for good harvest. Number 2, harvest. Farmers pray for good harvest. 3. Tasty. My mother cooks tasty food. Number 3. Tasty. My mother cooks tasty food. Okay, children. Now, children, I will tell you the story of this lesson in short. This is a story about 3 hungry soldiers who go to a village. They were very hungry, so they wanted some food and some place to rest. But the villagers, they did not give them any food. Why? Because they feared strangers. So nobody gave any food to the hungry soldiers. So what did the soldiers ask the villagers? They said, okay, you all give us 1 pot of water and 3 round stones. We will make soup. So the villagers, they gave them pot and water and 3 round stones. Then they were wondering how they can make soup out of water and 3 round stones. So then when the soldiers lit the fire and they kept the pot on top of the fire, they started asking the villagers to give carrots, tomatoes, potatoes, pumpkin, all type of vegetables, pepper, salt. They told the villagers, please give us little of everything, and salt and pepper too. The villagers, whatever ingredients they had, whatever vegetables they had, they gave to the soldiers. The soldiers made the soup, which they shared it with the people living in the village. Now in this lesson, the soldiers had convinced the people to share a small amount of their food in order to make a meal that everyone enjoys. Isn't it? Thus the villagers learned. What did the villagers learn? The villagers learned that the real magic behind the soup is sharing. Isn't it? Yes, so you should share whatever you all have with you. Okay? Now, children, yes. Now we will start reading the lesson. Characters. Who are the characters in this lesson? Soldiers. Soldiers' name was Ivan, Penny and Leo. And the villagers, they were 3 men and 3 women who helped the soldiers to make the soup. Okay, we start read. Teacher will read the lesson and you all will hear to what teacher is reading. Storyteller. Now the storyteller, he's telling us about the story. Okay, he's telling the story. Long ago, 3 soldiers were returning home. They were tired and hungry. So they were happy when they saw a village. Again, teacher read. Long ago, 3 soldiers were returning home. They were tired and hungry. So they were happy when they saw a village. Now the soldiers were tired and hungry and they wanted food and some place to rest. So they were happy when they saw a village. Now one of the soldiers, that is Ivan, said, "Thank God we have reached the village. We are sure to get food to eat and bed to sleep in." Because they were so hungry and tired that they wanted to eat and rest. Ivan, "Thank God we have reached a village. we are sure to get food to eat and bed to sleep in. Now the storyteller is again telling. But the villagers feared strangers. So they had hidden their food. They hid carrots under their quills and bread in the hay. Now what happened? The villagers, they feared strangers. They didn't wanted strangers in their village. So they did not share their food. They hid their food. Okay. Storyteller. But the villagers feared strangers. So they had hidden their food. They hid carrots under their quills and bread in the hay. Now what is the meaning of quilt? It is a warm bed covering. What is the meaning of quilt? It is a warm bed covering. When you feel cold, you cover yourself. No, that is called quilt. Now what is the meaning of hay? Hay is dry grass. See, when you see grass that is green in color. Now that green grass, when you remove it and put it and dry it in the sun, it becomes golden in color, and that is called hay. So meaning of hay is dry grass. Now children, I will ask some questions related to this lesson. Okay children, and keep the answers in your mind. Okay. Answer the questions. Question 1. What were the names of the 3 soldiers? Answer. The names of the 3 soldiers were Ivan, Benny, Leo. Question 1. What were the names of the 3 soldiers? Answer. The names of the 3 soldiers were Ivan, Benny, Leo. Question 2. Did the villagers give them food to eat? Answer. No, they did not give them food to eat. Question 2. Did the villagers give them food to eat? Answer. No, they did not give them food to eat. Question 3. Why didn't the villagers welcome the soldiers? Answer. The villagers did not welcome the soldiers because they feared strangers. Question 3. Why didn't the villagers welcome the soldiers? Answer. The villagers did not welcome the soldiers because they feared strangers. Isn't it? Okay children. Now fill in the blanks. Teacher has given you all the answers on top. Now you all should tell. Okay children. Number 1. Tell the answer. Okay. You should fill in the blanks. The soldiers were dash and dash. Which is the correct answer? Soldiers were tired and hungry. Very good. Number 2. The villagers hid carrots under their... Where did the villagers hid the carrots? Quills. The villagers hid carrots under their quills. Number 3. They hid the bread in the... Where did they hid the bread? Hay. They hid the bread in the hay. Children, hope you all enjoyed the lesson. This part 2 I will do in the next class. Okay children, bye.